Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Prado. Now today we're doing a table bar mod install in the back of the Prado. Now I've already had this on my car for about a year now, so I'm actually reinstalling it for you guys so you can see how I've done it, how affordable it is, and you can do it at home. So I've just got my impact here, and I'm not sure if you can see, but these are little Series 500s, and we're going to be using these to install it to the door. So if you look at these holes here, I've got 4 here, and on this side I've got 6. Now, this door card's really easy to take off. You literally just pull this back and this just pops off, and there's little clips across here. And then this will literally just get a chisel behind it that just pops off. It's so easy. And then pretty much I've had to take off the door handle here. But if you look behind it, you'll notice there's some flat metal around here and not between here and around there. So that's why I've chosen those spots. And the brackets I'm using are these ones. They're $10 from Bunnings. And you get 2 of them, and they look like this, and they simply just work on you push this up, and then pretty much allows this bar to get past. So I'll try and do it one-handed. You push up like that, and then as you can see, it's got past, and it can go flat, which allows it to sit against this, which I really like, because I like the look of a bar that will stand up, and it doesn't have a chain coming down or anything. I don't really like the look of those. I like the look of these sort of ones that are freestanding. So I'll show you how to install it. So now I'm going to show you how to install on the car. So pretty much you want to just get these and make sure they're pushed up like that. And ideally you want to have it with 2 people, but you want to be able to sort of line it up like that, you get the idea, and then screw your holes in. Okay guys, so to get this bolt back in here, I've just got a little extender on the drill, nothing fancy, but just because if you go hard up, your impact's going to dig into the bracket, it's not going to work. So I'll try and do this one. Yeah, so that's it there. Now I know it's not very pretty putting, you know, little techies in it, but it's not about the looks. And also you've got to remember, when the table's down, you can't even see it. So now I'm going to put all the other screws in and make sure it's all lined up and square, because right now it's all on the piss, and then we'll be good to go and it'll be done. So as you can see here, I've got 2 on that side, 2 on that side, and then this side I've got 2 and then 3, just because that's how it worked out. So super happy with it and looks awesome. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is very high. Now we're on a bit of a slope here and stuff, so I'm probably a little bit smaller. It's probably more like up here, but it is quite high. But this is how it is with the big lift and stuff. So I could almost do the table going down normally, and I feel like I've said that 100 times, and it's because I have. But this timber you get from Bunnings, and it's about $35, and it comes literally this width. I haven't cut the width at all. It also comes stained. All I've done is taken off about 50 mil off that end, and then I've left this end this side so it still looks nice and fresh, but that side is the side that's been cut off, and we've actually restained that end as well to protect the timber. So we're about to get rained on here, so I'm going to finish up, but very affordable. You can do it yourself, and it looks very nice. It's like a top way of doing it, like it's a bit over the top. You could just get like some aluminium wood or something and a chain, but yeah, very cheap, very affordable. Costs about $50 in total. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys, and if you have any questions let me know, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.